Let's study some more rules where the article is used. The earth goes round the sun and the moon goes round the earth. Second example, it is the longest river in the world. In these two examples, I'll underline article the. Here the earth, the sun and the moon. Here again the longest and the world. So here we understand when there is only one of its kind, then article the comes. For example, earth. Earth is only one of its kind. So article the has come. The earth. Then sun. Again it's only one. So the sun. The moon. Next example, the longest river in the world. Means there is no other river which is as long as this one. So this is the only one of its kind. So the. So usually in superlative degrees, wherever you have st with to the adjectives, the longest or one of the longest, in these expressions the will be definitely used. Next example, you will get the payment at the end of this month. The payment, because the payment is sure and that's definite payment. So you will get the payment at the end of this month. So this is end is definite. So article the has come. These two photographs are the same. We never say these two photographs are same. More situations where article the is used or it is not used. For example, we looked up in the sky. It is always the sky. Do you live in the country? Country means rural area, village. We must protect the environment. It is always the environment. There are millions of stars in space. So here article the is not used. It is never the space. There are millions of stars in space. Here space means it's the part of universe. Whenever we are using space in terms of part of universe, then we don't use any article over here. The space for parking is too small. Here space is used for a place, and that is the reason why we have used here article the. The space for parking is too small. We are talking about definite specific space. So article the has come. I often go to the cinema, but I haven't been to the theater for ages. So here article the has been used before cinema. It's a, cinema is used as a source of entertainment. So I often go to the cinema, but I haven't been to the theater. So whenever we are talking about the cinema and theater, it is always the cinema and the theater when we are talking about entertainment. Next example, we heard the news on the radio. Here again the radio. It is always the radio. I often watch television. So television here is being used as a source of entertainment. So article the has not come. So remember the cinema, the theater, the radio and television as a source of entertainment. We are not talking about this as a place, building or any instrument or a device. When we are talking about place, when we are talking about building, maybe cinema as a building or theater as a building or radio as a device or television as a device, then we can use article a or the. Let's read these sentences and understand whether article the has been used over here. What did you have for breakfast? We had lunch in a very nice restaurant. What time is dinner? So in these three examples, you will find that there is no article the used for breakfast or lunch or dinner. So names of meals don't take article the. So breakfast, lunch and dinner these three words are used without any article. We had a very nice lunch. In this example, lunch is a type of meal, but article A has been used over here. So any adjective comes before any type of meal, then we can use article A. Otherwise, we don't have to use any article for types of meals. Let's read these two examples and understand why article the has not come or article the has come. Alicia is 10 years old. Every day she goes to school. She's at school now. School begins at 9 and finishes at 3. So look at these places over here. School. Every day she goes to school. So here school has come without any article. She is at school. Again school has come without any article. Here again school has come without any article. And we are talking about Alicia. She is a student. So we need not use any article. We are not talking about any particular place over here, any definite place over here. We are not talking about any particular school over here. We are mentioning school in general. Now let's understand the second example. Today, Alicia's mother. Here now, it's not Alicia, it's her mother. Today, Alicia's mother wants to speak to her daughter's teachers. So she has gone to the school. Here, understand, the school. To see her. She is at the school now. She is at the school now. Now try to understand the difference here. In first case, it is Alicia. In the second case, it is Alicia's mother. Now, when we are talking about Alicia as a student and when we are talking about school, we are not using any article. Because Alicia is a student. She regularly goes to school. But it's not with Alicia's mother. Alicia's mother doesn't go to school regularly. And that's the reason why we have used here the school. When the person is not a regular visitor to any place, then we have to use article the before that place. It could be school, it could be office, it could be prison, it could be church, could be any place. For regular visitors, no article, and for irregular visitors, article the. For example, Alicia is a regular student, so no article over here. Alicia's mother is not a regular visitor, so article the has come. Here are some more examples of the. The giraffe is the tallest of all animals. When was the telephone invented? The bicycle is an excellent means of transport. In the first example, giraffe is countable singular noun, but still the is used. The giraffe is the tallest of all animals. Here we are not talking about any particular giraffe. Here the giraffe stands for a whole group of giraffe family. When was the telephone invented? Here again it's not particular telephone, although this is singular. It is coming with the, it represents the category of telephones. The bicycle is an excellent means of transport. We are talking in general about all the bicycles. So here the bicycle represents all the bicycles. So the bicycle is an excellent means of transport. So whenever we take a countable noun, singular noun and have the article, it represents the whole category of that particular type. Next, can you play the guitar? The flute is not difficult to learn. So in both these examples, the flute and the guitar. So musical instruments do take article the. Next example, the young, the old, the rich, the poor. Here any particular young person is not mentioned, but the whole group of young people has been mentioned by adding the. The old means all the old people. The rich means all the rich people. The poor means all the poor people. The French, the Indian, the British. So this represents the nationality. The French means all French people. The Indian means all Indians. The British means the British nationality. So to indicate nationality, we have to use article the. The Atlantic, the Godavari, the Suez Canal. Sea or ocean comes with article the. Here river, any river comes with article the, and the Suez Canal, any canal takes article the. So this is all about articles, and here we need to understand where articles are used and where articles are not used. So we should be clear with all the rules of the articles, and we must have enough practice. Thank you.